Stories untold, afraid to reveal the love we secretly keep.
Our eyes meet across the crowded room, a fleeting moment, but we quickly look away, afraid to dive too deep. The fear of rejection weighs heavy on our souls, yet our hearts yearn for the intimacy we see.
In this moment we hold the world in our hands, but hesitation lingers like grains of sand. Caught between desire and fear, we dance this delicate line.